measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 46 feet in depth. She is powered by 4 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors engine engine, which give her a top speed of 14 knots, for about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with 1,600 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid maneuverability in port. The American Integrity has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds below. Her deck cover measures 56 feet by 11 feet inside, and approximately 5 tons in weight. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The American Integrity is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company of Williamsville, New York. The American Integrity has been owned by 3 different companies over the years. She sailed as the Lewis Wilson Boy under the Bethlehem Steel Corporation, the Ogle Bay North under the Ogle Bay North Company, and finally the American Integrity under the American Steamship Company. She has broken several cargo records during her career.
G-tug Missouri, that's a Duluth area workplace.
There's Bridge, channel 10, please.
Channel 10.
Channel 10.
Yeah, Missouri on 10 here. Yeah, I'm just going to this integrity out. I gotta go out to the end and spin around quick and head back your way. So if you could leave it open, it'd be very much appreciated today.
Roger, roger. Yep, I'll do that.
Thank you.